Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we're installing our Gatorback no body drill rear mud flaps on a 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, they are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the factory fender screw as shown. Once the screw is removed, set up some hardware to begin installing your mud flap. Search your kit for the provided stainless steel replacement screw, one 1.5 inch black washer, 2 nylon spacers, and a 3/4 inch washer. Please note that depending on your kit, you may be given 2 smaller nylon spacers or 1 large nylon spacer. Insert the stainless steel screw into the 1.5 inch washer and place it through the front of the flap as shown. On the back of the flap, place the 3/4 inch washer and 2 nylon spacers over the screw's thread. With the hardware set up, start to install the flap into the factory hole. Once in place, loosely tighten it. When you are done tightening, ensure that you are still able to move the flap as shown. Next, we are going to use a square to temporarily level the flap. Once you have the mud flap level, use a marker to mark the top 2 slots of the mud flap onto your fender. Once these slots are marked, we will place our kit spring nuts over the marked areas of the fender. Make sure that the hole on the spring nut lines up with the center of the mark you just made. Now, place the 2 top mud flap holes over the spring nuts as shown. Next, start to secure the top of the mud flap in place using 2 sets of 1/4 inch bolts and 2 1-inch black washers. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, loosely secure the top 2 bolts. Then loosely secure the middle of the flap by tightening the screw. Next, using the last mud flap slot as a guide, use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill into the plastic liner. Once the hole is drilled, place a number 10 stainless screw and 1.5 inch washer through the front of the newly drilled hole as shown. Secure the screw through the back of the fender liner using a washer, lock washer, and nut. With the final hardware in place, tighten the last screw. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.